Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Python 3.10. So open Microsoft Store, this one, and if you not see here, so click on all apps and find out in this list store in the last one, and easy way just search here store and open it. And here guys, this top bar you will see this search option. Just type here Python 3.10 or 3.11, which is the latest version, and open it. Guys, to use and to download and install Python 3.0 you need Microsoft account. As we can see, I already have the account. So sign in your Microsoft account, and after that you can download and install. Just click on get, and it's a free guys. Just open live office or type Microsoft Office login and create your account with your password and email. You can use your Gmail also, and if you have the Outlook, so you can use it. And if you want to learn how to create a free Microsoft account, so check out description video and just click on get. It will guys take a couple of minutes, so complete this installing, and once this complete, just open it or restart your system if not work or you facing some error. So just exit and restart and open Python. So click here and search Python. So you will see in apps option. So thanks for watching. If you facing an error, so comment, I will try to resolve it. If you like this video, so subscribe, share this channel and this video.